Hi and welcome to real-time data processing using Apache Spark. My name is Nishankar and I will be your trainer for this video. Just like Spark is built on the concept of RDDs, Spark Streaming provides an abstraction called D streams or discretized streams. In this section, we will cover introduction of Spark Streaming and quickly run the streaming sample. Next, we will talk about the Spark streaming architecture and the core terminologies. Then we would discuss about the transformations and output operations, and in the last we would talk about different input sources and few performance considerations. Now we move on to the first video of this section. In this video we are going to talk about the introduction of Spark streaming. Spark streaming is one of the key components of the Spark ecosystem. Spark streaming component enable ingestion and processing real-time streaming data from various sources. Spark streaming provides an API for manipulating data streams, making it easy for programmers manipulating data stored in memory, on disk, or arriving in real time. Before we further get into the streaming introduction, let's first understand why Spark streaming. The data stream is an unbounded sequence of data arriving continuously. For example, an application might track statistics about page views in real time, website monitoring, network monitoring, real-time fraud detection, capturing data from Internet of Things sensors, advertising, and many more. So, there are many applications benefits from acting on data as soon as it arrives. Spark streaming is for such applications. Spark streaming is for the use cases which requires a significant amount of data to be quickly processed as soon as it arrives. It lets users write streaming applications using a very similar API to the batch job and also reuse a lot of code as well. Spark streaming is an extension of the core Spark API that enables scalable, high throughput, fault-tolerant stream processing of live data. Spark streaming divides continuously flowing input data into discrete unit of processing. Thus, stream processing is a low latency processing and analyzing of streaming data. Just like Spark is built on concept of RDDs, Spark streaming provides an abstraction called D streams or discretized streams. A D stream is a sequence of data arriving over time. Internally, each D stream is represented as a sequence of RDDs arriving at each time step, hence the name discretized. D streams can be created from various input sources such as Flume, Kafka, SDFS. We would cover all these Spark streaming concepts in details in the coming videos of this section. Spark streaming supports data sources such as SDFS directories, TCP sockets, Kafka, Flume, Twitter, etc. Data streams can be processed with Spark Core APIs, Data Frame SQL, or machine learning APIs and can be persisted to a file system, SDFS, database, or any other data source offering in Hadoop output format.